Okay, guys, it is August and things are rolling in from the garden. Sometimes it's very confusing or hard. You're like going, what do I need? How do I preserve this? Because I'm not going to waste it, especially these beautiful eggplants that I've been getting this year. I usually don't get to do so good of eggplants, so I have a bunch. So I cut them up and I am coating them the typical way: flour, egg, breadcrumbs, place them on a big sheet. I'm going to bake them, and then I'm going to let them cool down, and I'm going to freeze them and go ahead and put them in, bags or food saver bags to make eggplant parmesan during the winter. I've never done this before, but I have a feeling that it might work out, at least good enough, right? All I'm looking for is good enough. I think you could do this with your zucchini as well. So I'll pop them out during the winter, put them in the air fryer to kind of get them a little crisp back up a little bit, and then layer it in spaghetti or make a lasagna out of them. It's all mushy anyways by the time you go and eat eggplant parmesan anyway. So that's what I'm going to do. And I really think that it would work good with zucchini enough. You can sweat the eggplant or zucchini first to get out some of the liquid. I did it on this batch, but I think maybe with zucchini you might want to. That means just put them out on a paper towel, sprinkle some salt on them, and get some of that extra liquid out. That's called sweating. So anyway, so here's how I'm preserving eggplant. How are you doing that this year, huh? Got any eggplant? Did it work out for you? Mine did good. All right. Happy preserving.